Hey, this is Chapornova. Are you looking for how to make money PLR niche website articles that you can use to build a how to make money affiliate niche website, or to build a how to make money affiliate niche website for your clients, or just to sell these how to make money niche articles on sites like Fiverr? I'm going to show you today how you can get access to 590 how to make money PLR articles that you can use in any way that you'll get private label rights and 100% resale rights. What I want to do is I want to show you what you're going to get when you purchase these articles, okay? For each of them, you're going to get an article title for each article, an article word count, article body, okay? Usually you're going to get article keywords with that too, and an article summary, okay? What I want to do is I want to show you what you're going to get once you purchase this. And what I want to do is I want to let you know here at doneforyounichewebsites.com, we're going to be adding more niche articles that you can purchase. So make sure you check out the site and see what other kind of articles that you can get in different niche markets, okay? But what I want to do is once you purchase this, I want to give you an opportunity to save 50% today. So you're not going to pay $17. You're only going to pay $8.50 because I'm going to give you a promo code below this video with a link to our website that you're going to be able to save 50% and only pay $8.50. All right. So what I want to do is once you click purchase and you pay and you go through the process, we are going to send you a file that you're going to be able to download. All right, and it's going to have the 590 how to make money niche articles, okay? So I'm just going to go through some of these to show you the quality of these, okay? I'm just going to click on some of these so you can see. All right, 7 ways to make money with content online, the word count 245, the article summary, the keywords right here, and the article body. All right, let's go down here to more. AdSense affiliate program, simple ways to make money. Word count 585. Here's the article summary. Here's the keywords. Here's the article body. Let me show you some more here. Okay, avoid make money fast schemes. Word count 678. Here's the article summary. Here's the keywords to the articles that you can use. And here is the article body, okay? Now, if you were going to go, say on a site like Fivver or other sites and pay someone to write this type of an article, if it's going to be written by a very good English-speaking writer that knows about the topic, you're going to pay about $50 to $100, even on sites like Fivver. So if you want to pay $5, you're going to get an article that is not that great, and you're going to have to spend a lot of time rewriting it yourself. So it's better to spend more money, like $50 to $100, for a high-quality article. But what we're going to do for you today is we're going to take all that hard work away, and we're going to give you those high-quality articles that would cost you $50 to $100 for a literal one-time payment of $17. But if you act today, you'll get a promo code for $50 or 50% off that will allow you to get it for not $17, but for $8.50, okay? There are a ton of people looking for ways to make money online, okay? And if you have an opportunity to give them 590 how to make money articles in this particular niche, people are going to be able to learn how to make money. Now, like I said, you can make, your own niche website on how to make money, or you can sell these on sites like Fiverr or Freelancer or Flippa, whatever you want to do. We are just giving you an opportunity to get your hands on high quality how to make money PLR articles that you can use in any way that you want. You can take them, rewrite them, do whatever you want, sell them, like I said, anything. But if you have any other kind of questions, please feel free to write below in the comments and ask us any questions. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. But if you have any other kind of questions, when you go to our website, click our support, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We are here to help you. We want you to have success, and that's why we are adding daily new niche articles that you can use, just like how to make money, that can allow you to find different opportunities to make money online. And like I was saying, if you start selling these articles on sites like Fiverr, you can start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month selling these articles. So take a look at our other articles that you can purchase also and sell those also on Fiverr, and even make even more money every single month. So like I said, these articles are great for setting up your own affiliate niche website on how to make money, or whichever articles you have purchased. That's what we are doing. We are here to help you have success at building your own niche website or building your own income in some way. So this is Chapornova. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.